Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys saw last week's video where I did the sriracha honey chicken, you saw that I made an egg fried rice to go with it. Today I'm going to be showing you the recipe on how to make that egg fried rice. And the first things I need to do is grate some carrots. So you're going to want to grate one large carrot that you have peeled. And into a mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with 5 eggs, but later on I changed my mind and made it 7 eggs and just added 2 more. And you're just going to blend it thoroughly with a fork. Beat it thoroughly with a fork. And then we're gonna go over to our stove. So I have a wok. It's over a medium heat. I went in with about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You want to make sure not to use olive oil because it can tend to discolor the eggs. And we're going to just go ahead and slowly scramble our eggs. I worked at a breakfast restaurant for a year and I feel like I can just make eggs with my eyes closed. I just made so many eggs, I cracked so many eggs that I feel like I'm good. I know how to do it. That was me adding in the extra 2 eggs because I really wanted a lot of eggs in this. I feel like this really makes the dish. Once we're done with our eggs, we're gonna set them aside and we're gonna go in with some more vegetable oil or olive oil. Use any oil of your choice. And you're gonna go in with about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. And you're just gonna wanna mix this until it is fragrant. So about 10 seconds. Then you're gonna go in with all of your carrot and you're gonna saute it for about a minute or 2. Then we're gonna go ahead and season it. I would say go in with about 3 tablespoons of seasoning salt. I didn't have any seasoning salt, so I just went in with a blend of spices. I would use some salt, of course, a little bit extra than normal. And then I went in with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, ginger, paprika. The list goes on. I listed them all in the description box below if you're curious. And then I'm gonna go in with about 2 cups of rice. You can use fresh rice or leftover rice. Both work really well in this recipe. And we're just gonna mix everything thoroughly. Make sure to taste for seasoning and adjust if need be. And then we're gonna go in with our eggs and you wanna gently toss them through, although I wasn't very gentle, but I did try to keep the egg pieces a little bit on the larger side. I forgot to add in the green onions in the recipe. So as you saw, I pushed the rice aside, added a little olive oil and just sauteed them for a few minutes. If you are adding in the green onions, make sure to add them in when you add in your carrots. And then I'm just gonna toss everything together. And with that, we are done, guys. This is great to eat on its own or as a side dish. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every week, comment below for what you want to see next time, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And until next time, guys, bye!